Hi everyone, welcome back to this week's virtual bake along. So today we're going to do a bake that actually doesn't require any cooking in the oven. As you might have guessed, we're going to do a rocky road. This is a perfect simple recipe and it's great to have on your desk as just a little treat if you're doing revising or at virtual school. So without further ado, let's get started. The ingredients you'll need are 125 grams of butter, 200 grams of biscuits. I'm using digestives, but rich teas, Marylands, hobnobs work just fine. 300 grams of milk or dark chocolate, whatever you prefer. 3 tablespoons of golden syrup, 100 grams of marshmallows, and 100 grams of glacier cherries, but they're optional, so just add in whatever you feel like. You can even add some dried fruit or some dried nuts. Perfect. So what you've got to do first is do a bain-marie. I'm going to put my chocolate, my butter and golden syrup in there and then melt it at low heat on the hob. So I'm going to add my butter into my bowl, all the chocolate, and now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of our golden syrup. Being careful as this is really sticky. And to the hob we go. So what we're going to do now while our bain-marie is all melting down is crush our digestive biscuits. I've just got them in a little bag and I'm going to use my rolling pin. Perfect. Back to the bain-marie. So now our chocolate is all melted. I'm going to pop it into this bowl and then add our digestives. Be careful because the bowl is still really hot from the bag. And then in goes our crushed biscuits. And then I'm going to add my glacé cherries. And last but not least, our marshmallows. I'm just going to add our Rocky Road mix into this lined tray with some baking paper. You want to spoon it in and then push it down nice and flat. And now you've just got to pop it in the fridge for about 2 to 4 hours or until perfectly set. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed making your Rocky Road. Stay safe, see you next time, and here's a picture of my finished bake.